Hello everyone, so if you want to change the wallpaper on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all open up the settings, now scroll down to your wallpaper and personalization tab, and you can choose a lot of wallpapers here. However, let's press find more. We're gonna be prompted into the wallpaper application. Now let's go through it. It's a ton of them to any kind of taste. We've got some free wallpapers, some prepaid wallpapers. Let's just choose the coolest one, for example this one. All right, let me choose this one. So when you are satisfied with everything, simply press apply, choose where you want to apply it, to the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll press both. And basically that's it. Now we can enjoy our new, cool, good looking wallpapers. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.